In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox 279 error. This error can be really annoying because it prevents you from joining or loading games in Roblox. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a few simple things you can do to fix it. Before we begin, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out and lets me keep making more helpful tutorials like this one. The Roblox 279 error usually means there's a connection issue between your computer and the Roblox servers. To start, restart your computer and your internet router. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix it. If that doesn't work, check if you're using a VPN. Open your computer settings and go to Network and Internet. Then look for VPN on the left side. If you're using one, try turning it off and see if Roblox works. Some VPNs can block Roblox connections. If you're not using a VPN, you can also try turning one on to see if a different network route helps. Next, we'll refresh your network settings using the command prompt. In the Windows search box, type CMD. Then right-click command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now say the following commands one by one. First, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Then type netsh /ep reset and press enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Once all of these commands finish running, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. If you're still having the error, open your web browser and go to the Roblox status page at status.roblox.com. This shows if Roblox servers are down or under maintenance. If the servers are having issues, you'll just need to wait for Roblox to fix it before you can play again. If everything looks fine there, try resetting your internet router. Turn it off for about 5 minutes, then turn it back on and test Roblox again. If the issue continues, check with your internet provider to see if they're having network problems. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall Roblox completely. Open your Windows settings, go to Apps or Add or Remove Programs, and uninstall Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. Then go to the Roblox website, open any game, and click Play. This will automatically reinstall Roblox for you. After that, Roblox should work properly again without showing error 279. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox 279 error on your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please drop a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and comment below to let me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.